Welcome back. Today's video is something very exciting. It's something which is very luxurious. Yes, I just recently went to a mall and I saw this store Chanel, and I could see Chanel calling me and telling me come over and buy my products. And when it's makeup, I just cannot resist myself from buying. You know what? This is what I've bought from that store. This box looks so tiny, but I spent a huge bomb amount of money on this. I am going to show you what all did I buy, and I'm going to apply each and everything simultaneously and see how does it feel like. I'm sure this video is going to be great. Before starting the video, let's not forget about the giveaway. Yes, today's giveaway is this beautiful set by Fenty Beauty. It has this mini lip gloss in it and this beautiful highlighter. The color of this highlighter is so gorgeous, and even the color of the lip gloss is absolutely stunning. Any one out of you can win this beautiful Fenty Beauty giveaway. But how can you win this? All that you need to do is you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to put on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload. And you have to comment on my video. All those people who comment on the video in the first 12 hours will enter the giveaway, and I will choose any one of them out of those. So all the best, and let's start with the video. I have already done my eyes because I did not buy anything from Chanel for my eyes, so I thought that probably I'll do it beforehand. And I have already done my concealer and my color corrector. So now we'll start with the base. Let's see what all did I buy. Number 1, I bought this facial oil from Chanel, and it says revitalizing facial oil with jasmine extract. Let's talk about the packaging. I have always admired their packaging. It looks so cute. But yes, the oil is slightly on a pricier side. You know Chanel is always expensive just because of the brand, because of the packaging, because of the luxury that they provide us. It's all there. The guy there, I told him that I'm really dry, so he told me to apply this oil before the base, and it is going to work as my primer as well. So I'm going to apply this oil all over my face. He told me that 2 drops are more than enough for me. I don't think so, but let's just see. I have to open the packaging. And he told me to pat it all over my face. It smells exactly like jasmine. And I think I took 3 drops and they were enough for me. Next, I bought this little foundation which is Vitalumiere Aqua. It is with SPF 15 and my color right now is 30, which is beige. Again, the packaging is superb, amazing. In fact, he told me that their CC creams have better coverage than this, but right now I wanted to buy something which is very sheer and I can apply on daily basis. And Vitalumiere Aqua is actually meant for dry skin, so I thought why not to give it a try. I'm going to use this foundation today and see how does it work. I'm just going to squeeze out some foundation at the back of my hand. I will apply it all over my face. Fragrance is superb as usual, and it feels so light. The rest I'll put on my neck. Please don't forget to cover your neck because it's very important for your base to match your neck. And now I'm going to blend it using the Beauty Blender. I told you that I wanted to buy something which is for daily purpose. I'm sure I will love it. Now it's time for me to highlight, but I did not buy any highlighter, a cream based highlighter from Chanel. So I am going to use this NARS highlighter on the high points of my face. Done. And now I will blend it with the same beauty blender. What next? I bought this which says Soleil Tan de Chanel. It is a bronzing makeup base and I am super excited to try this. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. It's a perfect black lid with the Chanel logo on top and a nice base. This has this lid on top and this looks like ice cream. I am going to use this duo fiber brush and warm the product a little and apply as my contour. Is that this contour will not work for people who are dark, but yes, for people who fair, this is a gorgeous everyday contouring color. For my complexion, I think it's a thumbs up. I even picked up this that says that it's a healthy glow luminous color. He said that this is a limited edition and the powder that it has beautiful very little sheen in it. So instead of my setting powder and my pressed powder, I'm going to use this powder and let's see how does it feel. It comes in this nice pouch and I don't know what to do with these pouch. Seriously, you just can't do anything with them. You will never store your products in them and you will not use it for anything else. Again, the packaging is super gorgeous and when you open it, it has a nice mirror here and comes with this beautiful brush. It also has a lid on top, so when you open it, it looks like this. I'll just make sure that my base is set properly. And now I'm not going to use the brush that they have given. I'm just going to use a nice powder brush and pat it all over my face. And I'm just going to buff this powder into my skin. This is the next product that I picked up from there that says Healthy Glow Luminous Color in the shade Medium Deep. This, I guess, I'm sure is their contouring powder. But yes, if you've noticed, the packaging for this is not black. In fact, it's white on top. And it has the same mirror, the same lid with the same brush. Look. Oh, this looks so beautiful. And I'm just going to apply this as my bronzer because that's what he told me, that this product is not to be used as a contour. In fact, it's just to give beautiful glow, sun-kissed glow to your face, and I am just going to do that. Done with my bronzer as well. Now this is one product that I did not pick up lately, but I already have this one and I really like this product. This is also by Chanel, and I'm going to use it as my highlighter. Just going to take out some product at the back of my hand, and I will apply this with a flat brush on the high points of my face. Dab it with a damp beauty blender. I'm just going to wait for some time and let this dry just for a minute, and then I'll show you what did I buy next. Next come the blush, and this is what I picked up from there. This says the powder blush in 380, so close. The moment I saw the color, I was like, no, I want to buy this. You may find it really harsh, but then when you'll apply it, oh my god, look at this. This is so gorgeous. This is so beautiful. With the same brush, I'm just going to apply it, and he said that a tiny amount is more than enough for me. Yes, the pigment is so good. Oh my god, I think I'm going to use this blush every single day. This is super amazing. I think I'm loving the color. It's so gorgeous. I also picked up this Le Rouge Crayon, which says number 2. It's a jumbo long wear lip crayon, and it is in the shade number 2, which says Rose Violin. That's how it is there, I think. And this is the color, and I am just going to apply it on my lips. Look how beautiful the color is. And it's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It glides so well, and the color payoff is also very beautiful. A thumbs up product again. I also picked up 2 more products, but they are not from the cosmetic side. They're more of skincare. I picked up this pack which says Skin Recovery Sleep Mask. He said it's a lifting mask, and since I am above 30, almost 35, so he said it's going to give great results to me, and I just have to use it once a week. So I'm going to use it and see how does it feel. The next product that I actually saw, I never wanted to buy anything like this, but what made me buy this was the packaging. Yes, look how cute the packaging is. I'm just going to throw it in my bag and use it, and it's a hand cream by Chanel. It's so beautiful. I just have to squeeze it and it's going to come out from here. Yes, and he said that this product is actually meant for the knuckles, when your knuckles become dark, so it works on that area, and it's for brightening. I just don't know why did I buy this, but I think it was just the packaging that made me buy this. Fragrance is also nice, and I am totally loving this. It was just this cute packaging that I actually fall for this, and I think I'll use it. I love this. So this was everything that I bought from there, and I just love everything. I feel the foundation was really light. It is going to work for me for everyday purpose. The powder, the cream contour, the powder contour, the blush, and even the lipstick. Everything is beautiful. It's pure luxury, super gorgeous, and I'm totally loving this. I hope you all would have liked the video. In case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and enter the giveaway by entering into the notification squad contest. I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching. All the best.